Hi everybody! So I'm going to share with you guys another juice recipe, and it's a strawberry beet juice. It's really good, and like I've said in a lot of my other videos, is there's so many different combos of juices and smoothies you can do by just eliminating one ingredient or putting in another ingredient. It changes it completely. So there's so many different variations. There's thousands of different combos out there that you can do. So this is just one of the many. So I'm going to juice half of a large organic cucumber, one Fuji apple. I like using Fuji apples because they're the sweetest type of apple and I just love their flavor. And I know there's tons of different varieties, hundreds and thousands of different varieties of apples out there. So you can use whatever you want, but what's available to me out of the selection, the small selection that I get up here in Alaska, Fuji I find is the best. I bet you Honeycrisp apples will be really good in this too. But I'm going to use a Fuji apple and then one large beet, and then I'm going to use 1 pound of strawberries. This is 2 pounds, but I'm only going to use half. So juice 1 pound of strawberries, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of watermelon to fill the rest of the juice cup, just to add a little bit extra liquid there. Guys, so it's red day. Got your chilled glass. Always makes a juice even more fun to drink. This is the most tastiest strawberry juice. Look, we're overflowing. We're overflowing. Beautiful color. And one thing you can add is 1 large carrot. That adds a nice flavor also. But we are overflowing, so let's see if we can do this without spilling it. Now look at that color. That is pure strawberry juice. It's gonna be tasty. I know it is because I have it so many times and it's so delicious. Here we go, guys. That's absolutely fantastic. That's delicious. Okay, you guys, so remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I will see you guys next video, okay? Bye, guys.